Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the different mud flap options for the 2019 to the current body style Sierra HD. We're at 2024 now. So let's start off with the original flaps that Gatorback had. This is the GCAA series and the GCS series. So what this does is it installs over top of the factory protector, the smaller rounded option, not the large polygon looking flap. So this has a black anodized aluminum upper bracket, or it also is available in a polished stainless steel. This installs over top of the factory protector. You do not remove it. You use factory existing fasteners and clips. The factory protector ends right here. It installs right up to it, so you get this, it's about 8.5 inches of extra tire protection. Nice, easy install. It's bent and molded to go right onto the truck. It will work on the front. These are the fronts. You also have the rears. You have a whole bunch of different logo options. Again, this is black anodized aluminum, or you can have the polished stainless option. The next option is going to be the GCR series. This is going to use finishing caps to replace those mud guards or mud protectors. On the front, you have an integrated mud flap and finishing cap combo. It comes installed like this. You put it right on. It uses factory existing holes. You take off those protectors or guards, and this slaps right on. On the rear, it's a more traditional mud flap install. You take off the factory guards, put this finishing cap on, and then you install the mud flap. These also are available in a whole host of different logo options, or not if you want. Everything is custom fit. You are not going to drill into the body of your truck at all. All of these are available. If you have any questions, you can certainly give us a holler. But these are the two options for your GMC Sierra Heavy Duty.